Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are keeping fine and taking good care of yourselves. So, this is our second lesson of the poem Problem Solving. In the first lesson, we have read that Jack was a mischievous boy. He was a very naughty boy who did not, he was also very lazy, who did not like to do his classworks or do anything in the class. Okay, he always came to the class for making fun with his classmates. And one day his teacher, Miss Clark, gave one arithmetical problem to solve to the students. So Jack stood up and he spontaneously told that the answer is 41. But Miss Clark objected and said the answer is not 41, and she wanted to know what Jack has done in his notebook. She wanted to see, to check his notebook. Then Jack told Miss Clark that he had nothing to show because he did it mentally. Then Miss Clark advised him that in that case, if he likes to do his sum mentally, then next time he should use the abacus instead of doing it mentally. So now we will resume our lesson. I think I have found the trouble, miss. The answer is 53. I am sorry, Jack. It's nothing like. Come here and copy me. Now again in the third stanza it is saying that Jack again changes his answer and makes another guess. Okay, and he says that the answer, no, I was mistaken, miss, the answer is 53, and I have found the trouble where I have done the mistake. The answer is 53. But Miss Clark again said that I am sorry, Jack, it's nothing like that. The answer is not 53. So can you please come here and show me the sum so that I can help you. So she says that come here and copy me, means I am ready to help you. Come to me, I am ready to help you. The next day Jack was talking with his dad and with his mom. So Jack said, so Jack, they said, did you find out the answer to that sum? Next day, see here, Jack is presented as an obstinate child, okay, as a stubborn child. He was very, what we call in Hindi, जिद्दी. okay, जैक बहुत ज़िद्दी था. और जब दूसरे दिन जैक ने अपने डैड और अपने मम्मी से बात कर रहा था, अपने मम्मी पापा से इस बारे में बात कर रहा था. जैसे आप लोग स्कूल जाते हो तो अपनी स्कूल की बातें अपने पेरेंट्स से करते हो, अपने सिबलिंग से करते हो, अपने सिस्टर्स ब्रदर्स से करते हो, तो वैसे ही जैक भी घर गया और अपने मम्मी पापा से उस बारे में बातें कर रहा था. तो उन्होंने कहा कि उन्होंने पूछा जैक से कि क्या तुम्हें अपने उस सम का आंसर मिला? Did you find out the answer to that sum? Did you make out what will be the correct answer? I did, said Jack, although I could not do it in my head. I found a way to get Miss Clark to work it out instead. Now Jack cleverly replies. Here Jack is presented as a clever boy, as a very clever and cunning boy. Means what he did, he said, I did, said Jack, although I couldn't do it in my head. He said that I have done it, but I could not do it in my head, I could not do it mentally. I found a way to get, I went and manipulated Miss Clark to work it out instead. Means he somehow got Miss Clark to help him out. Okay, he was not ready to go to Miss Clark easily. Okay, so Miss Clark was ready to help him, but he didn't take resort to his teacher very easily, but instead he forced his teacher to help him out of this. Means he wanted to show his teacher that I am trying to do it, but I couldn't solve it. Okay, but actually he was a very lazy kind of a boy who did not like to do any classwork, any sort of classwork, and he quickly takes the resort of his teacher to help him. He in other way he manipulates his teacher. Okay, तो कैसे एक बच्चा बहुत ही जो शरारती बच्चे होते हैं वो कैसे अपने टीचर को चकमा देते हैं, इसी विषय पे ये पोएम है। इसी को दर्शाया गया है कि एक जो बहुत शरारती बच्चा होता है, जो जल्दी से टीचर के पकड़ में नहीं आता है, टीचर को लगता है कि नहीं बच्चा कोशिश तो कर रहा है लेकिन शायद वो नहीं कर पा रहा है उस चीज़ को। और इसमें मिस क्लार्क को बहुत ही सपोर्टिव और एनकरेजिंग बताया गया है। बहुत ही सपोर्टिव टीचर है वो, जो कि अपने विद्यार्थी का हेल्प करने के लिए, अपने छात्र का हेल्प करने के लिए एकदम तैयार है। और वो बार बार कहती है कि आओ मैं तुम्हारी मदद करती हूँ, लेकिन ये बच्चा इतना क्लेवर है, इतना चालाक है कि ये बच्चा आसानी से टीचर की बात को मानने के बजाय वो टीचर को ये कहता है कि मैं खुद से कर लूँगा, मैं कोशिश कर लूँगा। और उसके पेरेंट्स भी उससे पूछते हैं पर उसकी मदद नहीं करते हैं, क्योंकि उसके पेरेंट्स भी चाहते हैं कि वो आत्मनिर्भर बने, वो खुद से उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे। और जब वो पूछते हैं कि क्या तुम्हें आंसर मिला, तो बच्चा बहुत ही चालाकी से ये आंसर करता है कि हाँ मुझे आंसर तो मिला, लेकिन मैंने वो सम अपने टीचर द्वारा ही करवाया, बल्कि उनको मतलब उनके ये जाने बगैर कि मतलब कि मैं कोशिश नहीं कर रहा हूँ। टीचर को ये ज़रूर लगा होगा कि बच्चा कोशिश कर रहा है पर वो कर नहीं पा रहा है। तो बच्चों कभी ऐसा नहीं करना, अपने टीचर को चकमा नहीं देना। क्योंकि टीचर्स आखिर टीचर होते हैं। ओके, दिस वाज जस्ट अ पोएम फॉर योर फन एंड आई होप यू लाइक दिस पोएम very much. And for your exam you don't have to learn the poem. I have told you earlier, you have to learn the summary, which I'll give you in my next PDF. First I'll give you perhaps the question answers, then the summary, or summary and then the question answers, okay, as it is suitable to me. Okay, so I hope you have clearly understood the poem. If you have any doubts or queries, you just place your queries in the comment box. I will try to solve it to my best, and hope you will take good care of yourselves. Stay safe and stay at home till your school reopens, okay, for the new session. And those some of the students are repeatedly commenting that we don't have the notebook due to the lockdown. So if you don't have the notebook, just go on noting down in your rough copy. When you will have the notebook, you will make it, you will write in your new notebook, but follow the same pattern as I have told you, so that you would not forget it whenever you make the new copy. Okay, so thank you, bye.